Hello everybody, so today we are looking at this APK tool which is used to disassemble as well as to compile the APK file. So let's get started with. So we can use it. So let me zoom a little bit. Sudo apt for APK tool. So we have this APK tool. So let's install it. Install APK tool. Let's do enter. So enter. So let's check my internet connection for a while. So yes, it's not working. So what's happening? Okay, we are getting lots of error. So there is some. So we can do sudo apt fix missing. I don't know what was it there. Git apt get then apt dash get super so let's update. I don't know what is the problem. Now it's updating. So let's try that again to install. I don't know what sudo apt install apk2. Yes, now it's working. I don't know what it was. So there was some network error. So now it's install the APK tool. So let me just give you the background APK tool. So Android file are compiled into text. Then this APK tool converts the text file into Somali code. It is like assembler code for the Android. So if we do APK tool, now we have it. Now it's working. So if we go on the download and let's do ls. So let's go on the Diva application file main. So we have this Diva application APK. So what we're gonna do is to do APK tool to disassemble the Diva. So let's do enter. So we don't need dash for here. So we just need to do this. So to disassemble the APK. Now it's disassembling the APK. Now it has successfully done it. So if we go on the Diva application and ls, so we have the Android manifest file. So if we just auto complete it, So we have XML file. So let's do on the smiley ls darker. So cd uh, cd diva ls. So we have our smiley code. So we have the access control 1, 2, 3 API build, and so if we just do copy this selection and just check the file. So here we have insecure data storage. So if we just do vim and we have this. So what we want to do is to do so if we were to compile this, so let me just get out from here first, and so it's on download and cd and Diva application. So we have the folder name called Diva application. So once you have modified the application, so what you want to do is apk tool. So then B option for the compilation and name of the folder. So we do this. Now we should get our APK. So let's hold on a sec. So ls, so diva inside here. So inside the build, we should get our APK. So file APK is the folder, isn't it? Yes. The APK. So we have inside here we have the build. So that was on a wrong directory, my mistake. So if we come back and we just paste it, so yeah, I mean cd disk. So here is our build application. So thank you guys.